Palatability. Both Advion Ant and Cockroach gel baits are highly palatable, more than most of the other commercial gel baits available on the market. In direct comparison, lab studies at Syngenta show that Advion Cockroach gel bait was much more palatable than the other baits tested, despite alternative food being offered at the same time. Furthermore, Advion Cockroach gel bait is not only highly palatable immediately after application, but remains stable, attractive and effective for at least 3 months after application. Trials on gel spots that have been aged for over a year even demonstrated that despite looking dry, the palatability of the gel is maintained and it still delivers 100% efficacy. Most ants prefer to consume liquids versus solids. Advion Ant Gel is specially formulated as a gel that allows practical application methods like a solid, but also an outer liquid phase which ants readily ingest. Latest field studies have demonstrated that an application in a suitable bait station maintains the moisture and thus attractiveness of Advion Ant Gel for at least 1 month.